Have you ever noticed your subscriber count drop and wondered who might have left your channel? Well, YouTube doesn't directly tell you who might have left your channel, but in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can track subscribers who have unsubscribed from your channel and tell you why they might have left your channel. So let's get into it. So to track subscribers who might have unsubscribed from your channel, you go to the YouTube studio through the YouTube dashboard. Now you go to your Chrome browser, then type there YouTube dashboard. There it is. Now here you are on your YouTube dashboard. Now this is the interface of the YouTube dashboard. Now to track the subscribers who might have left your channel, you come down here to recent subscribers. This shows subscribers who subscribed over the last 90 days, and it only applies to subscribers who have shown their subscriptions public. Now let's see them all. So I'm gonna hide the names of the channels for a while. So these are the subscribers that are subscribed to my channel. You can see them. They are arranged in an order of those who have the most number of subscribers to those who have the least number of subscribers. Now we can go to the next page. You see, next page. These are all my subscribers who have subscribed to my channel. So I can track whoever that subscribed within the last 90 days and know if they left or not. You see, the next page, the next page, the next page, the next page. We are going to the list, the subscribers with the least number of subscribers. You see, these are all those who have subscribed to my channel. So you can track them and know if they left. You can see. So this is how you track the subscribers who have left your channel. All their names are here. Just don't wanna show their channel names, but they are there. You see? So you can track it from here. And at the end of the day, don't focus too much on those who might have left your channel, but focus on improving your content so that you give value to your audience. This will make them not leave your channel. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure that you like it and comment on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe so that you will always be getting YouTube growth strategies in my other coming videos. See you then.